How to fix Instagram comments not showing on iPhone. First of all, launch your Instagram application and then make sure you have logged into your account. Once you check that, here you can see if comments are showing or not in the Instagram post. If it is not showing, then you have to open your app store on your device. From there, on the searching bar, search for Instagram and check if any update is available or not. If there you see update button, then simply hit on that and update your application. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. In this way, you can easily solve Instagram comment not showing issue on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.